What is up, high levelers? This is Nat from the Content Army, and today we're going to talk about a really cool feature, probably the most requested feature in the contacts section of HighLevel. How to add followers to a contact. Let's get started. So here we are in our HighLevel dashboard, and we're going to go over to contacts. Here you can see our contacts. I'm going to go ahead and click on my name. And then up here, you're going to see the word followers, and this is where we can add up to 10 followers per contact. So we're going to click this plus sign. And now you can see all the people that are available to be added as followers. The one thing to keep in mind here is that this is a multi-select drop-down field, and it shows all the users in your sub-account. You can choose up to 10 users to follow this contact. The contacts that you were a follower for will only be visible when only assigned data is on. Let's go over and check out how to turn on assigned data. Okay, we're going to come over here to our settings and then click on My Staff. Now up here, you're going to add an employee, or if you already have people in here, then you can just go ahead and edit their permissions. We're going to go down to user permissions, and we're going to scroll down here, and we want to toggle on only assigned data. And so that will enable this user to access the data that we allow them to. So we click save. You're going to want to go ahead and refresh your screen at this point, and then go back to your contacts in your dashboard. All right, we're back at our contacts. Now let's add that user to me as a follower. We're going to click this plus sign, grab the contact, and now here they are. They're following this contact. They can manage this contact. And here is where you can add up to 10 followers per contact. As followers, they're going to have the same permissions as the owner. This will allow them to access, view, and edit the contact's information. The only limitation here for this follower is that they cannot edit or change the owner's contact. All right, high levelers, that was it, and we hope to catch you on the next one.